Hello, today's tutorial will be how to create this full flower instead of this thin one. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to create this full flower. See the difference? Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to use my yellow yarn, and I'm going to start with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. I'm going to join my chains, and I'm going to make 2 chains, and in my ring a total of 9 single crochets. Okay, let's stop and count. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more, 9, and here's your 10th one. Okay, so I'm just going to join those. I'm going to cut it with my scissors. Sorry. And now I am going to take my outer yarn, which is this color, and I'm going to go into one of my single crochet stitch, and I am going to make a total of 10 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to go back in the same stitch. I'm going to pull my yarn through, okay, another 10 chains. I'm going in my next stitch, pull my yarn through, and I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. I'm going back in the same stitch, and I'm gonna make 10 chains. Okay, I'm gonna go in a different stitch, the next stitch, pull my yarn through, and I will be making a total of 10 chains. Okay, I'm going in the same stitch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're doing 10 chains, and I'm going into a next stitch, pull my yarn through, ten chains in the same stitch, pull my yarn through, and ten chains in another stitch, and another 10 chains, and we're going back in the same stitch, pull your yarn through, and we're gonna go and make another 10 chains in another stitch, pull your yarn through, okay, in the same stitch, pull your yarn through, 10 chains, and we're going in a different stitch, pull your yarn through, okay, in the same stitch, pull your yarn through, and in a different stitch, pull your yarn through, and that's 10 chains. Back in the same stitch, pull your yarn through and another 10 chains. Okay, we're going in another stitch, pull your yarn through, and we're gonna go in the other stitch, and we're pulling our yarn through. Actually, sorry, we're going in the same stitch. Pull your yarn through, and the last one. Okay, and in the other stitch, pull your yarn through, and there you have it. Okay, a full flower. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. So that flower versus this flower. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share my video in